Hello student, this video is related to the English literature class 7 and the chapter is daffodil. Today I will explain you summary of the daffodils. Daffodils, also known as a more name, that is known as I wandered lonely as a cloud, and I wandered lonely as a cloud is the first line of this poem, and some people's known by its name. Okay, so I just mentioned this thing in my summary also. I'm just telling you right now summary, may you understand well it. The romantic poet William Wordsworth's I Wandered Lonely as a Cloud, also known as the Daffodil, is probably his most famous lyrical work. The poem was written in 1804. The poem is all about of nature. It is really very simple in form and language. 4 stanzas of 6 lines each makes the entire poem 24 lines long. The speaker says that wandering like a cloud floating above hills and valleys, he encountered a field of daffodils beside a lake. The dancing, fluttering flowers stretched endlessly along the shore, and thought the waves of the lake danced beside the flowers. The daffodil outdid the water in glee. Daffodils were shine and twinkle as like the stars of the Milky Way. The poet stirred them and be happy in such a joyful company of flowers. When he was stirred, he also thought what wealth the scene would bring him. For now, whenever he feels vacant or pensive, the memory flashes upon him that involved eyes and gives bliss in his solitude. His heart fills with pleasures and starts dancing with the daffodils. That's all about the summary of the daffodils, and in this summary basically we are seeing William Wordsworth was a romantic poet who wrote a lot of poems, and this is the most famous poem of him, and he wrote about the nature, nature's beauty about in all over it, and he told the simplicity of the nature, how daffodils looks beautiful at in the valley clouds, with the valley clouds and the lake, and when they all was shining like a stars and twinkles like a stars, it's look more beautiful and beautiful, and it's also just move besides the lake, and such condition also feels gives a good feeling to the William Worth, and whenever he will just sit somewhere and he just start to be think about the daffodils, the memories of the daffodils, and feel glee and happy, and he just want to be start dancing like the daffodils whenever he think about it. That's all about the summary of the daffodils. Thank you.